Hi, I'm going to show you how to place an order. So go to Events, Public, and I can see all of my events listed below. Click on the Direct Book button. Genius adds the event to my basket. I can change the quantity if needed. Just make sure you press Update Basket. Any changes to the basket must be completed before you enter the customer details. Now I can see Genius has updated the total for me. I can add discount codes for the customer. This is explained further in the help files. I can also add cross-sell items to the basket, or follow-on courses. These need to be added into the course template first though. Please look at the help files for more details. I'm going to add a small first aid kit. Click Add to Basket, and I can see Genius has added it to my basket and recalculated the total. Now let's add the customer's details. If it's a new customer, I can fill in all the details in the form. This will create a new account for the customer. Or if it's an existing customer, I can use the search feature. Please ensure the customer doesn't already have an account, as this will result in duplicate accounts. I'm looking for Barnes, so just type in B and press search. Genius searches the system for all surnames starting with the letter B. Select the customer that you are looking for, and Genius does all the hard work for you. The customer will receive a confirmation email of the booking. If you don't want your customer to receive an email, just uncheck the box. Select your payment method. These can be changed in your profile if needed. If you are registered with Stripe, the customer will receive a direct link to pay via the email. Select where the customer has heard about you and press Complete Order. Each order has their own unique ID number, or you can add a purchase number if necessary. You can find more information on how to process your orders in the help files, including resending emails, raising an invoice, and completing payments. I can see all of the customer's details and what they have purchased. I can change the quantity if needed, and I can also add in the learner details. There's more information on this in the help files. If you require any more help, feel free to drop us an email at support@geniussoftware.co.uk.